Hey everyone, it's Angie from Ivy River Tables. I've been using Ice Epoxy for quite some time. This is their deep pour. It's a 2-to-1 ratio. It's got great bubble release. And what I wanted to do actually is do a clarity test. I've used just about all the other epoxies out there. And, so far this has been my favorite. So I have some extra epoxy already mixed up and it doesn't have any pigment in it yet. So I wanted to go ahead and use this wine glass holder mold. As an example, I'm just gonna go ahead and pour my deep pour right here. And I'm just curious as to the clarity from this epoxy compared to other epoxies. So I'm not gonna add any pigment. I'm just going to leave it at that, let it cure up. And again, I want to compare the clarity level to other epoxies. So let's let that cure up and we'll come back and check it out. Okay, so I took out the wine caddy with ice epoxy after it was done curing, and this is a test on just how crystal clear the epoxy is. There's no yellowing. It truly looks like glass. So I'm pretty happy with the clarity and the quality of this epoxy. There's no bubbles. This thing looks great. So I just wanted to compare that with other brands, and so far this has been my favorite. You can just really see how crystal clear it is. So there you go.